Hey everyone!
What's up?
Today we are headed out to the Snowshoe Gun Club to actually use our membership. It's been a while. And yeah, we're gonna go and fire our 10 mil and our new 9 mil and just get some practice in. Feel a little more comfortable with the two semi-autos that we have. And we're gonna have a couple friends join us, and they're bringing their guns, and so we may try out a couple of theirs as well and just have a good time.
Yeah. Thanks for tuning in again. Like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy this video. So you got to try our 9mm today.
I did.
How was that?
It's good. We got a Walther PDP 9mm, and it's full size. It's got a kick, but it's a really fun gun to fire. And so we're trying it out for the first time today and just getting used to it.
And Tanya brought her
22
Ruger, which is really cool. That's a fun gun to fire.
That's a lot of fun, especially after the 9mm, which has such a huge kick. The Ruger 22 has such a small kick that I wasn't even sure it fired when the first time I fired it, and that's a fun gun. I definitely wouldn't mind adding that to the collection for a small game.
Very cool.
Hey everyone! We just got done at the Snowshoe Gun Club. We went out and decided to shoot our 10mm and try out our new 9mm. And we had a few friends join us. Shelby, Tanya, and Seth, who some of you may recognize from some of our other videos.
Yes.
And yeah, we had a really good time. We got to try out a couple of other ones as well, like Tanya's Ruger 22.
Yep.
Yeah,
it was a good rainy day activity. It's been raining here for about a week and a half straight, so haven't really gone out fishing. Not that we really need to. We've kind of maxed our freezer out with fish at this point. So we're going to be moving on to other activities here for a little while, and yeah, we hadn't been out here for quite a while, so getting back out to the range was good. We'll have to clean our guns up now, or take them to get them cleaned up. Sportsman's, but yeah, it was good. Simple day, just firing off a few rounds and trying to stay sharp. I think we did okay.
Yeah, I think we did.
So
definitely need to continue practicing. I mean, it's a skill that can definitely wane.
Yes.
So we've talked about maybe coming out once or twice a month just to make sure that we can still fire the guns.
Yeah, I mean, it's a great wintertime thing to do. You don't need a lot of time necessarily, and they have nice heated
bays,
huts or bays to shoot out of in the pistol ranges. So yeah, we'll probably do that again. It doesn't make the most exciting video, but it's something that we do and we need to stay sharp with, so we thought we'd film that one. So yeah, we'll probably bring our rifle next time as well. Yeah, Kate's got to get more comfortable with her rifle so she can go on some hunting trips this fall. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for tuning back in. Like, comment, subscribe. Wow, my beard is looking crazy. Hashtag beard is looking crazy. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Back of it.
Mm-hmm.
Dead box.
There's a dead box.
There's a dead box.
Nicely done.